In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Canva app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So for you to be able to download this Canva app, you need to go ahead and look for Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. So I'll go ahead and you can see my Google Play Store is here. Go ahead and tap on Play Store. And this will take you to the search page where you can search for your app. To search for your app, go ahead and tap on this search icon here or search app here. Go ahead and search for Canva. And then tap on this search icon. And you can see we have our Canva here. So if you tap on it, these are the descriptions. Canva design, photo and video app. It is from Canva company. At the time of recording this app has over 22 million reviews with a star rating of 4.7, and the app is over 11 MBs, and currently it has over 500 million downloads at the time of recording this video. So make sure this is the app and this is the icon. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin the download process and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here. And if you go to your apps now, you should be able to find it. So you can see my Canva app is here. It has been installed. From here, proceed and tap on it. Then log in with your account or with your email to start using this Canva app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.